Autopilot earnings in Onpassive. Reality or illusion? Have you ever dreamt of sleeping while your bank account keeps filling up on its own? A system that earns money for you, without any effort, without any worries. This dream now claims to become a reality through Onpassive. Undoubtedly, a new revolution has taken place in the world of technology. The arrival of artificial intelligence has transformed the business world entirely. In this evolving landscape, many companies have emerged claiming to offer users the opportunity to earn autopilot income, automatically and effortlessly. One such prominent company is Onpassive. Onpassive gives users the hope that once they join the system, all future earnings will be generated through an automated system. That means no need to sell anything, no need to convince anyone. Everything will be done by artificial intelligence. Autopilot earnings or passive income is a term that has become quite popular in the online business world today. The idea that you can set up a system and then it continues to earn money for you passively seems like a dream to many. However, Onpassive presents itself as a revolutionary platform in the field of artificial intelligence and digital marketing, claiming to offer truly automated income. But the big question is earning on autopilot really possible, or just a shiny illusion? In today's video, we'll explore Onpassive's business model, its promises, user experiences, and the true potential of autopilot income. In its promotional material, Onpassive claims each founder will have an AI-powered website that will automatically attract customers and generate sales. You won't have to do anything. Income will keep coming into your wallet on autopilot. Onpassive's core claim is that its AI-driven ecosystem will automatically generate traffic, create leads, and eventually bring in sales and commissions for its users. They say once users are onboarded, they won't need to actively market or sell products. The automated system will handle everything, providing income without active effort. This idea is commonly referred to as autopilot income, which essentially means earning money even while you sleep. As you may already know, Onpassive is an artificial intelligence company that claims to provide fully autonomous software solutions. A key part of its promise is that its platform can generate autopilot income for its users. But around this claim lies much debate and speculation, and it's important to understand the truth behind it. Onpassive's primary promise is to provide founders with a done-for-you business system, where everything, marketing, lead generation, and sales, is automated. Users only need to invest once and they are promised recurring income. That is, founders won't need to do marketing or sell themselves. The company's AI-based platform will allegedly generate leads, attract customers, and ensure product sales. Moreover, founders are encouraged to bring in others to the system, earning commissions in return. Onpassive argues that these tools work together to create a fully automated marketing and sales system. They claim their AI algorithms will attract targeted traffic, convert prospects into customers, and eventually drive sales. But the real question remains, is autopilot income or truly hands-free income really possible? Onpassive's AI tools, such as OStaff and OTracker, can certainly simplify business operations. However, no AI system is completely autonomous. You still need to build strategies, monitor results, and make adjustments based on market trends. AI is a tool, not a magical wand. That said, Onpassive has made many arrangements through its digital tools, powered by AI, which are clearly visible on its website. This is why Onpassive claims that once you join the system, everything else is automated. AI will handle it all, and you'll keep receiving automated income. This system claims to work entirely on autopilot. They say, you don't have to do anything. The system does everything. But here's a critical point to consider. Onpassive's business model resembles MLM, multi-level marketing, where networking, referral commissions, and team building are key components. Onpassive's tools like OStaff, OTracker, and OConnect are indeed AI-based, but are they so automated that you do absolutely nothing and still earn? In reality, every AI system has limitations. Effective sales still require strategy. There must be demand in the market. You need to understand and interact with the system, and most importantly, to achieve real income through Onpassive networking. And effort are essential. Autopilot income sounds very appealing, but it does not mean complete laziness. It actually refers to a system that starts delivering results after your efforts, eventually creates passive income over time, requires strong foundations and planning if you build a network in Onpassive, promote its products, and understand the system. Then you may potentially earn autopilot income. But if you register once and just wait for money, you might end up with nothing. Critics of Onpassive argue that it's all hype, as the focus is more on getting new people to sign up rather than product sales. Supporters, on the other hand, believe this is the future of the digital world. The truth likely lies somewhere in the middle. Onpassive is not a magical solution. It is a digital marketing company that offers AI-powered tools. If you understand digital business, are skilled in social media marketing, and are interested in team building, then Onpassive could be a great opportunity for you. Onpassive's promise of autopilot income is attractive, but it becomes reality only when you use the system properly, build a network ready to invest time, patience, and learning. Remember, success never happens overnight. Just like any online business, success in Onpassive also depends on effort, learning, and consistency. Benefits of autopilot income in Onpassive: less effort, more profit. If you build a strong network, you can keep earning without much ongoing work. Leverage AI technology. Onpassive uses advanced AI tools that simplify complex tasks. Global opportunity. You can run this business from anywhere in the world. Some people question whether Onpassive is a scam. The answer is no, because Onpassive is a legitimate company. If you put in the effort and build a network, you can earn money. But if you rely solely on autopilot, your earnings may be very limited. The concept of autopilot income in Onpassive is indeed interesting, but it's not fully automatic. Initial effort, networking, and marketing skills are essential for success. If you're interested in MLM and digital marketing, Onpassive could be a valuable opportunity. But if you're expecting money without doing anything, then that's unrealistic.